Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Top Fashion Collection. I hope so all my viewers are fine. So guys, this collection is long, one side, beautiful ideas of pixie cut, and the hairstyle are so amazing. The haircuts are so stunning, and keep watching my channel on daily basis. Beautiful collection and ideas for the haircuts and the hairstyling are so amazing. If you are interested in this type of collection, then please like, share and comment. Trending ideas of haircuts are available, not the repeated and not the old. All are so creative. Face haircut ideas, beautiful ideas of haircuts and hairstyling for girls, and girls like this because the most trending and the hottest collection 2022. And in this collection you see the 40 plus ideas. Watch my video till the end, don't skip the video and don't stop my video. Watch the video till the end. And if you are interested in this type of collection and in this type of designs of haircuts, then drop your message and drop your comment in comment section. Guys, give your feedback in comment box, positive and negative. If you love this video, then please like, share and comment. Share with your family and friends, and use the social media to promote my YouTube channel, that is the Top Fashion Collection. Only ideas are related to the haircuts for the girls.